Dad made this birthday cake for me.
Wow! It looks like a roller skate.
That's right. It's amazing. Would you like a piece?
Yes, please. Nice.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like carrots.
Yes! Carrot cake is my favourite.
Look and listen.
What does the cake look like?
It looks like a roller skate.
What does the cake taste like?
It tastes like carrots.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. What does the man look like? That's right. He looks like a banana. What does the building look like? That's right. It looks like a fish. What does this sound like? That's right. It sounds like a horse. Who do you look like? Well done!
Yay!
Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Diggory bones. He works under rocks and stones.
What's that? It sounds like an animal.
It feels like a spider.
It looks like lots of spiders.
I hate spiders.
Most interesting. A snake bowl. A dangerous ancient trap.
The spiders are only the food, Mr. Grab. Look behind you.
A snake.
The snake's awake. Please help me out of here.
Okay. I can use my belt to get you out.
Give me the belt.
Hold on to the end of it. I've got what I came for.
Let's go. There's the door.
Oh, the dog is the door, isn't it, Bones? Ha! Now you're going into the snake bowl.
Emily!
Oh,